sit here, they've gone through hell. You know, very early mornings, very late evenings, you know, and a lot of things in between.
Wanyonyi, gun to tape, 1:41.87, a championship record. With 100 meters to go, Jepchirchir gritted.
These people, before they come and sit here, they've gone through hell. You know, very early mornings, very late evenings, you know, and a lot of things in between.
Wanyonyi, gun to tape, 1:41.87, a championship record. With 100 meters to go, Jepchirchir gritted her teeth, and the former Olympic champion found that final push.
And the Kenyans going to do it. What an upset, what a story. Oh my word, Chebet is the champion tonight.
A huge winning margin for Faith Kipyegon, 3:52.
Disbelief. I'm a silver medalist, my first championship, and I'm going home with this.
And the crowd will always be able to say they were there on the night that two world record holders went toe-to-toe and side by side.
If you may come this way so that you can receive your check. Na tuwapigie makofi tafadhali. And in line with His Excellency's promise, Edmond Serem, they are getting 1 million Kenyan shillings. Makofi kwake. Next, the check is to Raynon Kipkorir, who won a bronze medal in the 1500 meters. Another 1 million shillings, Raynon Kipkorir. Tumpigie makofi akija kupokea haki yake kulingana na ahadi ya Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, Daktari William Samoei Ruto. Clap for him. Next we have Dorcas Ewoi, silver medalist at 1500 meters. Dorcas Ewoi. And for her, it's a whooping 2 million Kenyan shillings on silver. Next, we have Faith Cherotich, and this is a gold medalist with 3 million Kenyan shillings to herself. That's 3,000 meters steeplechase, Faith Cherotich. Followed by Perez Jepchirchir, who won a gold medal in the marathon. Perez Jepchirchir, gold medal in the marathon. Also gets herself 3 million shillings. Next is also a gold medalist, Lilian Odira, 800 meters. Makofi ya Lilian Odira, 800 meters. Followed by Emmanuel Wanyonyi, who's a gold medalist, 800 meters. Emmanuel Wanyonyi, 800 meters, gold medalist. Makofi yake yakienda tafadhali. And next we have Faith Kipyegon, and this one requires a very, very hearty clap because she has a gold medal 1500 meters and a silver in 5,000 meters. So for her, it's a whooping 5 million Kenyan shillings. Wonderful. Faith, if you can face forward for the photo. There you go. And Faith, I'll request that you remain there to receive on behalf of Beatrice Chebet, who is not able to make it today. And for Beatrice, she also won the 10,000 and 5,000 gold. That's a double gold. So she has a 6 million shilling check right there. On behalf of Beatrice Chebet, Faith Kipyegon receives it. I'll request that we all now just proceed on stage to take a picture with His Excellency with your... And for the rest of the athletes, don't worry, we have a photo session at the end after we've had breakfast. I think we've kept you on a hungry stomach long enough. So we'll have breakfast, and after that we shall proceed to do the photo session at the end after we are done with this.